flyer, guys. That's a pretty fast little sucker. You see that? You see that? Yeah, really like this thing. And the wind is hitting it hard. One-click video, what is that? That's new. Super night, that's good. HDR. Alright, one quick video. Okay, let's do an orbit. Okay. Please frame subject. Okay, got it. Go. Flight height is too low. Try it now. Good. There he goes, guys. Is a really close quarter orbit. And this is one of the things that we really like about this drone. Will it keep track of me while it's still moving? Or yeah. The drone has reached auto takeoff altitude. Okay. The drone has reached auto takeoff altitude. Okay. I'm not sure what that means. I'm sure it's just a glitch in the software as usual. Okay, that's cool. Stop. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get another function. Let's do a droney. Everybody likes a droney. Let's do 35 meters from here, that's fine. Okay, let's let it rip. Droney. 3, 2, 1. Don't forget to circle the subject. And there's the droney. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Appreciate you watching. As you can see, everything's being done automated. There's the droney. 35 meters. I suppose I could increase the speed. And will it come back? That's the question. Or will it stay up there? Hey guys, this is Al from the future doing a voiceover, and the important thing to notice when you do the one-click videos is that it automatically starts the recording for you when the automated function starts. So that's really nice. So you'll notice that further in the video that I forget to actually hit the record button and miss the shot. So just remember that when you do Smart Track, you're going to need to hit the record button. But take a notice here coming up in the inlay that I put in the upper left hand quadrant, you'll see the recording numbers ticking up with the little red dot next to it. I'll go ahead and circle it in the video so you guys can see. So yeah, that's the big deal about the one-click video. Really like it. Sorry about the sun, guys. Yeah. Oh wow, there's the soaring. Okay, so that's the rocket in DJI land. Okay, so it looks like it's finished the soaring. Oh wow, it's going back to the position. Oh, neat. Okay, cool. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Let's see what else we got. We are now at 38% battery. So we're going to go through these spiral. Yeah, that one looks cool, right? Yeah, let's go with spiral. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Peace everybody, love on earth, love you guys, thanks for the support. As I mentioned earlier, don't forget to check the description for the affiliate links, guys. Love you, bye. Yeah, so these are very popular with the beginners, guys. This is a good beginner's drone because it has all these features. So very nice. And let's get this thing to stop and we'll do the active track. This is one that I'm interested in next. So there's a spiral. This is when you lay down on the grass, cross your legs and say, hey everybody. Okay. 45, 40, is it like, so it takes like 50 seconds to do it. And then it's gonna come back down. I am now at a 33% battery. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it down real quick. Let's get this active track going, guys. This thing always had a problem doing parallel mode. Get me back in the picture here. Here we are. Let's see if we can do active track here. Intelligent flights. Yeah, so we're going to do active track is what I want to do. Is profile. Okay. Do the profile. Okay. Go. I think it got me. Flight is too low. Okay. Okay, maybe now. Go. Yeah, so it didn't like that very much. And now it's trying to keep up with me. There it is. And it's actually not doing a bad job. So if I go over here, will it keep track of me? Yeah, it's not doing a bad job. Let me go ahead and walk this way. Will it keep track of me when I go under it? No, it doesn't. Okay, so it lost me. Battery signal. I see the rear indicator turning red on me already, and has lost me. So it acquired me again. Okay. Okay, let's see if it can track me again. Oh yeah, it's doing a much better job tracking me. See that, guys? Much better. Okay. Yeah. It should be easy to have a lot of contrast. I'm wearing the dark clothes and a sunny day. Yeah, I don't see why it would not. Okay. See, exit that. Okay, let's do one more. Do I have to stop the recording? Yeah, I guess so. Intelligent mode, there it is. Hard to see in the sun. There it is. Okay, so let's do smart track this time. And do a trace. Okay, trace me and go. Okay, good. So it's doing a trace. This would be, you know, I don't run much anymore, guys, because I got bad knees, had knee replacements, and ran into MRSA and all this bad stuff. But yeah, see that? So I generally walk now, so I don't have to get any more operations. Sweet, guys. Running low on battery, but it's still tracking me. Wow, good job, man. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, I forgot to record on that. Dang, forgot. Here, so here's the recording so you guys can see. Will it lose me around that trash can? See if I could go confuse it. Yeah, see this trash can up here? I'm getting further and further away, and I'm not moving very fast. I'm a slow old guy. With me, and I was trying to lose it. Okay, impressive. Impressive. Wow. Okay, go ahead and exit that. All right. Let's see what else we got here. Let's do a quick time lapse, 1 second, that's fine. Okay. Boom. So it's complaining about the battery, and I want it to land, and it dropped in altitude. See that altitude? I think I'm still recording time lapse, and I'm going to go up in altitude a little bit. There's it. Oh no, it wants it to land now. So you can push it up still, guys. You see this? As soon as I let go of the sticks, it wanted to land. This is a good little booger, man. Let's walk the drone. And see, I'm just walking it back to this landing pad, and we'll talk about what we just did. Red blinking lights right there. Wow, super impressed, guys. That was the maiden flight. Let me double check my cameras, make sure everything's working. So yeah, I'm really digging this little guy, man. This is definitely worth it. Yeah, it's definitely worth purchasing. I'm definitely going to recommend this thing. Fimi's going to sell the heck out of these things. There's no doubt about it. No doubt about it, guys. They're going to sell the heck out of these things. Yeah, no doubt about it. Yep, there it is in my pocket. This Fimi Mini here is worth $329, $338 after shipping here to the US. Unbelievable. I really wanted the orange one, but they're only shipping the white ones right now. So the first 500 made were all in white. But overall impression of the Mini is good for me. It flew well. It's fast. It did everything that it advertised. Smart track, trace, and parallel did pretty well. I tried to lose it behind the trash can like this one here, and it did a fantastic job. So I'm super impressed. I'm sorry I'm in the shadows. Kind of feels good. And yeah, super impressed. So the flight time was okay. Also, I was able to get a lot of the review in today. I know there's still some missing parts that I need to get to. But yeah, I was able to do the intelligent flight modes, return to home. All that seemed to work pretty well. Super excited about this product, guys. It really is cool. Really do like it. Yeah, is it worth buying? Heck yeah, it's worth buying. Would you recommend it? Oh yeah, I would recommend it as a beginner drone. Would I recommend it over the DJI Mini? Maybe. The price point is a problem. If it's not, then I would recommend a Mini from DJI. But yeah, this is awesome. Really is awesome. Really liked it. Alright, let's get on down the road. Boom, just hit the camera. Sorry about that. Yeah. There we are. I gotta get on down the road, guys. Time to rock and roll. $10:40, yeah, I got time. super impressed with this little sucker, man. Super impressed. I definitely would recommend it. Yeah, so first impressions of the Mini. It's good, guys. Good impressions. Really like the product so far. Really do. It flew well. Easy to fly. Had a little bit of toilet bowl effect if you took off manually. So be careful with that. So take off and get it up to 4 meters in height. And if you get it up to 4 meters in height, then it does quite well. But if you keep it real low, it seems a toilet boat. So the TOF sensors and the optical flow camera working together needs to be tuned up a little bit. I know that Fimi was trying to get me to do an update to the firmware, and I declined because I wanted to see what the differences are before and after the firmware. So I'm looking forward to updating the firmware and then doing another round of tests. So part 2. Wish I had 2 or 3 batteries, but unfortunately, due to production constraints, or they were not able to provide me with 2 batteries. So I'm also not able to provide the orange Mini that I wanted. Now, we could always just paint our Minis orange if we wanted to, but it'd be much better if the color was infused in the plastic. Yeah, overall, I think this product is really worth buying. It really is. It really is worth buying. I'm excited about it, can't you tell? Yeah, I'm super excited about it. I think it's a pretty good gig, man. Alright, I'm going to sign off now. I got to get on down the road and need to pay attention. I'm just now leaving the park gates. And I'm going to be hitting Route 95, and that's a busy place. And then Route 64, it's another busy interstate, so time to be safe. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, appreciate your support, and I will see you around. Thanks. Bye-bye.